Welcome to my channel. I'm Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organize, and I made these videos for you because I have a feeling you think you are alone, that you're the only one that struggles with clutter. You're the only one that doesn't know where to start. You're the only one that beats yourself up. How did I get here? Well, you are not alone. And I hope that these videos help you start decluttering, help you start downsizing, give you an idea of where to start. There's some challenges on this channel that you may find very useful. They're very focused, they're very doable. I also hope that you will feel inspired and motivated to begin. Please leave comments below any videos. I would love to hear from you. This is Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized in Madison, Wisconsin. I'm your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. Thanks again.